Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a mango avocado chicken salad. Now, chopped salads are my go-to for a whole nutritious meal. They're ready in minutes and they fill your stomach. So join me as I make a great salad that you and I will enjoy.
Okay, hey guys, we're gonna start with half a cup of chicken stock. Now, I'll be using an Instant Pot, so I'll be using less liquid, but you can choose to use a standard pot, of which you're gonna need more liquid to braise the chicken in. I'll be adding 2 chicken thighs in the recipe, but I'll be putting more because I'm meal prepping. I'll also add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and I'll set the Instant Pot for 10 minutes with a normal release. If you're using a standard pot, you would braise the chicken anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. I'll be adding 1 large avocado, hopefully you can find a larger one than I did, and I will continue to mash them thoroughly until I get the consistency that is to my liking, which is somewhat chunky. I'll then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That helps prevent browning and also gives a nice subtle flavor to the avocado. And I will also add 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. I'll mix thoroughly, coating the avocado. And then I'll add sea salt. 1 to 2 pinches is good. Now I'm going to prepare sweet pepper for the dish. I'm going to slice and core and de-seed the sweet pepper. The color doesn't matter. The flavor is fungible. It's really for aesthetic purposes. Pick whichever color you'd like. I'll slice and chop the sweet pepper. Now, usually one could use a food processor, but this recipe is a quick and easy recipe that shouldn't involve too much prep, so we're going to keep it simple and use a knife. Here I have 2 to 4 stalks of scallion, also known as green onions, and I'll be cutting off the more intense flavored part, the white part of the scallion, and I'll use the more milder flavored stalks, the green part. I'll now take half a cucumber, of which I'll be slicing the edge off just outside the rim of the seeds. And then I'll chop the cucumber. Okay, now to my favorite fruit of all times, mango. Now, when you're picking the mango, please pick a firm but ripe mango. You'll notice by the smell of the mango. Hold it close to your nose. Just make sure there are no soft spots. I'll score the slice horizontally and vertically. And then I will invert that slice and then chop off the cubes. This I find is the easiest way to process a mango. Also, to add a bit more spiciness to this recipe, I'll be adding half a jalapeno pepper. Now, If you're going to add them, always remember that they don't all have the same uniformity in terms of spiciness. So to make sure I get that extra kick, I'll be adding the seeds also from this half pepper. If you are afraid of pepper, leave the seeds out. Now I'm going to take my 2 cooked chicken thighs and I'll proceed to shred them. When using the pressure cooker for the time allotted, no matter how I try to cube them, they will fall apart. So I just go straight to the shredding process. Adding a dash of black pepper, some sea salt, and red pepper flakes to kind of reconstitute the flavor that was lost in the Instant Pot process. Now I'm going to take the chopped vegetables and combine them with the avocado and the chicken thighs. Now I'm just going to fold over gently to incorporate all the ingredients evenly throughout the salad. Now, as the bed, I'll be using 4 cups of fresh greens. This is a spring mix. Now, any green grouping doesn't matter. I prefer that you have a wide variety of greens in your diet. So if it's kale today, it can be spinach tomorrow. It can be a spring mix, whatever it is, 4 cups.